How to see all your subscription on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how you can see all your channel that you have subscribed to and which are your subscriptions on YouTube. So it is really important for you that to see which channel you have subscribed, and if you want to unsubscribe any channel you can do this as well. Also you can do is which channel you want to press the bell icon and which channel you don't need that videos unnecessary. So just go to the YouTube, and if you haven't updated, just update it to the latest version and then go to the setting. After that you will see options called notifications, and after that you just need to scroll it down and you will see a subscription that you can turn off. Also if you go to the channel setting, then we will able to see all the subscription. Here you can see I have subscribed these channels, and if I want to unsubscribe any channel, just click on that channel and it will redirect you to that channel, and just click on none, and this channel you will not get any notification from this channel. So this is how simple it is. And if you want notification from some channels, like I want notification from this channel, so it is on. Also I don't want notification from this. Also which channel I want notifications, I will scroll it down and see. You can see I have subscribed to many channels because I used to watch videos. Just scroll it down. Let me find some channel. You can see I have subscribed unnecessary a lot of channels, so that's why I couldn't find that channel. So this is how you can do this. Hope this video will help you to understand. If it does, like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll meet in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.